In this video, we are going to walk from Calgary Tower to the historic Fairmont Palliser Hotel in Calgary, Alberta, and take a peek inside. We will take this short walk together at night, and I will point out interesting things along the way. The Calgary Tower is one of Calgary's most iconic landmarks, a symbol of the city skyline, and an attraction both for tourists and locals alike. It stands 191 meters or 626 feet from ground to tip, and it was opened on June 30th, 1968. Its original name was the Husky Tower, but it was renamed Calgary Tower in 1971. It is located at 101 9th Ave Southwest in Calgary, Alberta, and it was built to celebrate Canada's centennial and to promote urban development in downtown Calgary. The tower was once the tallest structure of its kind in North America. Today, it is dwarfed by skyscrapers. One of the main attractions at the Calgary Tower is the 360-degree observation deck, which offers panoramic views of the city, the Rocky Mountains to the west, and the prairies to the east. The Fairmont Palliser is Calgary's most iconic hotel, a grand Edwardian-era landmark that has stood as a symbol of luxury, history, and hospitality since 1914. It's located at 133 9th Ave Southwest, and it sits in the heart of downtown Calgary, steps from the Calgary Tower and the Stephen Avenue Walk. Opened on June 1st, 1914, the Palliser was built by the Canadian Pacific Railway to serve the growing number of travelers arriving by train. It's named after Captain John Palliser, a 19th century explorer of Western Canada. At the time of its opening, it was the tallest building in Calgary and quickly became a hub for dignitaries, royalty, and business leaders. The Palliser was one of the first hotels in Alberta to receive a liquor license after Prohibition ended in 1924. Its bar remained male-only until 1970, making it the last in Calgary to lift that restriction. Over the decades, it has hosted numerous notable guests, including Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip, who stayed in the luxurious royal suite during their visit in the 1990s. Today, the Fairmont Palliser offers 407 guest rooms and suites, each blending historical charm with modern comforts. Rooms feature amenities such as high-speed internet, air conditioning, cable television, and luxurious bathrobes. Guests can indulge in the Hawthorne dining room, which serves contemporary Canadian cuisine, or relax in the Rundle Bar. The hotel also boasts a full-service spa, an indoor pool, and a health club. Its central location makes it an ideal base for exploring the city's cultural sites, shopping districts, and dining options. Thank you for taking this little walk with us. If you enjoy videos like this, consider subscribing to our channel to see more. Thank you and take care.